Hey guys, good morning. This is JE once again and welcome back to Vlogcetera. So we are now here guys in our hotel and it is in Watanabe Dori. Hindi ko masyadong sure kung paano basahin yung pangalan ng hotel nila, but I would be putting here yung name of the hotel. So we just asked, it's going to be pronounced like Toei Hotel. And mukha naman siyang malinis at mukha pa siyang bago guys. Look at that. Diba? Maputi. And then we are just going here to their second building, which I think is mas luma. Tignan nyo. Ito yung building 2, ito yung building 1. So we're going to the 6th floor because that's where we are staying. Room tour tayo guys. So this is our room. This is in the 6th floor of this hotel. Again, yung pangalan nito is 2A Hotel, Fukuoka 2A Hotel. Ito yung main door natin. So as you enter, ito na siya agad yung hallway. Magkakamukha lang actually yung mga layout ng mga rooms na napuntahan namin here in Japan. Kaya lang ang difference here, wala siyang area for yung mga gamit. Kasi ito wall na siya agad. Pero they have here on the other side yung hooks with hanger. So dyan kami naglalagay ng mga damit. And they also have this hamper and etong air purifier here. And what's cool, lagi silang may ganito for shoe cleaning. Pare-pareho yun sa lahat na napuntahan namin hotel here in Japan. Yun, switch tayo. So as you enter, ito na yung door for our toilet and bath. And here, nandito din yung full-length mirror. Yan, ito yung switch nung lights natin sa CR. And then, konting lakad pa, dito na ulit yung desk, vanity area. At saan din nakalagay yung TV. Yan, medyo makalat na siya kasi actually pa-check out na kami. But, just to show you, yan, meron din siyang mga drawers here. Wala masyadong laman. Actually, kasi lahat ng mga amenities nila na pinakita ko din, when I'm doing yung tour natin dun sa lobby nila, dun lahat ng nakalagay ng mga amenities, including the toiletries, pati yung mga complimentary teas. Yan, sa other side, dito naman yung queen size bed. Kalat na siya kasi paalis na kami. And then ang pinaka niya, ang ulunan is yung window na. Yan, ganun lang siya kasikip. Tapos yung view, hindi ko alam kung kita siya, pero yung view is just the city. And again, katulad ng ibang mga hotel rooms, they are also providing this nightwear. Yan, kakaiba siya ngayon kasi parang button down siya all the way. At one piece lang siya. Suot ko to dun sa extra ko sa isang sa isang vlog. And they also have yung in-room na massage na offering from 2 p.m. until 2 a.m. And for other details of this hotel and this room, I would just be putting it here para mas malinaw yung mga information about here. And syempre, dito naman tayo sa CR. Ganun din yung layout niya, guys. Ito yung toilet, yan yung sink, and then ito na yung shower and bathtub area. And just like other hotels din na napuntahan namin, they are providing yung ganitong set of toiletries. Yan, going green, para hindi masyadong madaming basura. So, complete naman siya with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And also, only in Japan so far, they're providing yung facial foam. So, yun lang siya. 360. Yeah. Yeah. Ayun yung hot and cold shower. And then, pwede ka ding mag-bathtub. Kasi, ang generous din nila magbigay ng mga body wash, shampoo, and everything. So, pwede mo siyang i-utilize actually for your bathtub. And lastly, yung laging featured in Japanese bath or toilet and bath, yung kanilang bidet system. What's cool here, or yung iba, meron siyang control for the seat temperature. Yan, seat temperature. Wala siyang button or manual button for the deodorizer, just like hindi katulad nung huli naming hotel na nastayan, pero nakalagay naman doon na auto dispense yung kanilang deodorizer. And that's it. Hey guys, good morning. So let's go. Bababa tayo to get our breakfast. Papakita ko din sa inyo kung ano yung itsura ng lobby, anong hallway, and everything else about this Toei Hotel. Ito nga pala yung view niya in the morning. Yan. You're seeing the building and that main road. So ito guys yung itsura ng hallway nila. Yan. And dito lang yung room namin. Sa unang-una. After the elevator. Good morning. So we're now ready for breakfast, guys. Yeah. They are serving actually buffet breakfast and they have a lot of selections. Ito yung mga pagkain nila doon, pero they also have yung other pastries, breads, and of course coffee. Ang ganda ng interior nila here, guys. Look, diba? Bawat table may pa chandelier. Batch 2 guys ng breakfast natin. Salad and pastries and coffee, of course. Yep. May mga kulay sa loob. So ito yung itsura ng lobby nila, guys. Yan. Ito yung building 1. I think this is newly renovated. Kaya mas itsura siyang bago para dun sa other side. Yan. Ito sa likod ko yung parang community area nila. Parang many of the guests are actually using this. Para siyang sala slash dining area. And they are actually using it every day. So guys, we're having breakfast at mabilisan. 7, they said na 9:30 yung last na kuha ng pagkain, as in 9:30 everything's gone. Tignan nyo yung buffet table. In wala pang 5 minutes na clean up na nila agad, and they're just doing it. So kapag sinabi 9:30 talaga yung pililigpit talaga nila. Pero nagsasabi din naman sila ng last call before they keep everything. So yung pa guys, diba? Ligpit na agad. Anyway, paalis na din kami ng restaurant. Ang tawag yata dito ay Bistro. Bistro Latori. And syempre nag-take out ako ng iced coffee. So that's it. I think this is where I'm going to end this vlog. If you like this video, guys, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment below if you have any other questions. And don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you will get updated with more fun video only here in Vlogcetera. Until the next one, bye.